Understanding airbrushing in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English term, airbrushing. This term pops up in various contexts, from art to photography to media, and it has some metaphorical uses that can be quite interesting. So, whether you're an English learner looking to expand your vocabulary or just curious about the term, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Airbrushing refers to a painting technique that uses a small, air-operated device that sprays paint. The airbrush tool allows for a very fine and smooth application of paint, which makes it ideal for creating gradations and shades with precision. This technique is often used for illustrations, photo retouching, and in automotive and t-shirt painting due to its smooth finish. In photography and media, airbrushing is synonymous with retouching or altering images. This can range from correcting small blemishes to changing the appearance of a model's body shape or skin tone. It's become a controversial topic because it raises questions about realism and body image standards. The phrase, "that photo looks airbrushed," often implies that the image has been modified to look better than reality. Metaphorically speaking, airbrushing is used to describe any situation where flaws are covered up or where an attempt is made to make something seem better or more perfect than it is. For example, one might say a company is airbrushing its history if it's trying to hide past mistakes or controversies. Discussing the impact of airbrushing is important as it affects public perception. In the world of fashion and beauty, airbrushing creates standards that may be unattainable for most people. It has sparked a debate on the need for more authentic and unfiltered representations in media. Moreover, understanding this concept is crucial for English learners as it's a modern term with relevance to current social issues. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the term airbrushing and its uses in different contexts. As always, we aim to help you navigate English not just as a language, but as a window into culture and contemporary issues. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.